Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove access from Google Sheets. This is a crucial skill when you need to revoke someone's permission to view or edit your spreadsheet, whether it's due to a completed project, a team member leaving, or simply maintaining better control over who can see your data. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the Google account that owns or has administrative access to the spreadsheet you want to modify. This is important because only owners and those with the right permissions can remove access for other users. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is your central hub where all your Google Workspace files are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet from which you want to remove access. Once you've found it, simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. The file will load in a new window, displaying all your data and any current collaborators who have access. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to managing all permissions and access settings for this particular file. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the sharing settings. A dialog box will appear showing you a comprehensive list of all the people who currently have access to your Google Sheets. You'll see their names or email addresses along with their current permission levels, whether that's viewer, commenter, or editor. This overview gives you complete visibility into who can interact with your spreadsheet and how, next to each person's name, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu beside the person whose access you want to remove. Several options will appear, including the ability to change their permission level. However, for our purpose today, look for and click on the option that says Remove Access. This action will immediately revoke that person's ability to view, comment on, or edit your spreadsheet. And that's it. The person you selected will no longer have any access to your Google Sheets file. They won't be able to open it, and if they had it bookmarked or saved, they'll receive a message indicating they no longer have permission. You've successfully managed your spreadsheet's security and maintained control over who can access your important data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.